Correct. Greetings, parents and tutors. My name is Maria Jose Loaiza from English Group 17. Below, I will explain chores and errands that I normally do. Okay, the first image is about me mopping the floor. I could have swept the floor if my mother hadn't swept it first, so I prefer to help her mop. In the second image, the action I'm doing is cleaning the closet. If I had taken more photos, I would have been able to show more images or a better photo, but I only took one. The third picture, I am hanging the wet clothes. I got my mom to help me take the picture while I put the clothes on the line. I thought she was very busy. My mom is very considerate. In the fourth photo, I always wash the dishes at lunch, and my mom told me the dishes need to be done. And despite my laziness, I said yes, but there were a lot of pots, and that put me in a bad temper. Okay, in the fifth image, I'm folding the dry clothes. Before that, I did exercise and I was very tired. I should have folded the clothes before I exercised. But I'm such as a perfectionist that it took me a while today to do it. In the sorry. Okay. In the sixth photo, I made the bed. I said, this room needs cleaning. It's very disorganized and I like that everything is nice and clean in my room. First, I helped my mom with the cleaning of the house. In the seventh photo, I was sorting the clothes by color. White clothes are supposed to be put in soap powder. Once I put a pair of pants on the white clothes by mistake. My mom might have been killed me. Eighth photo. If I had known how to iron clothes before, I wouldn't have burned the pants a little. My mom was very furious. No, we're going to continue with the errands, and these were a little more difficult for me. Okay, that day I got ready and I told my dad that if he would accompany me to go to the bank. I had the credit card in my hand and he said, I don't have my card, I must have left it at home. And I had it. In this photo, first I was very embarrassed because I'm shy with people, so I approached the man and asked him if I could take a photo with him. He may have been nervous. Okay, in this picture, my father had already paid the bills. We told the lady from Su Suerte that if she would do us the favor of posing for the photo, she accepted. And the last photo, I was buying to make sandwiches and for my operation that was the next day. I got my father to pay for the groceries. Also, we even decide which water to choose. Okay, this is all for today. Thank you so much. Bye bye.